Okay, so today we're going to be talking about brokerage accounts. And so, what is a brokerage account? Why do you need one? And how do you use it? So, a brokerage account. If you want to buy a stock, you need to use a brokerage account. Back in the day, you could call up your broker and be like, hey, I want a share of Microsoft. And be like, for sure. But now we can just do it online because digital is awesome and technology is way better and it makes it easier. So the number one brokerage account for commission-free trading, commissions, let's just back up a second. So when you called up that guy, he had to call up a guy on the New York Stock Exchange and they actually physically traded certificates. That cost money. But since online cut out that middleman, you can actually trade for free. So if you have $100, not very much money, if you have $100 in the stock market, and you are being charged a $10 commission, that's 10% straight off the top. That is outrageous. You can't afford that. So, the number one free commission trading platform is Robinhood. You can actually just download the app on your phone and just fill out some information. You will need your social security number, but it's not anything sketchy. So, once you do that, you can actually fund money from your checking account. You can just connect them, and then once you fund your account, then you can actually buy a stock. You just type in whatever stock you want, be like, buy, and then how many shares you want. A share is just a unit of measurement of a stock, and then you just trade it, and you bought your first stock. Another platform is something called M1 Finance, and it's the same thing, commission-free trading, but you can actually allocate to different amounts automatically. So if you wanted one share of Apple, or it actually doesn't even do it by shares, it does it by allocations. So if you want 25% in Apple, 25% in Netflix, blah, 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 then you can actually just type that in and then it would automatically trade for you. So M1 Finance and Robinhood are the two main ones that I found to be really good. If you're just more interested in starting out, Robinhood probably has an easier interface, so I'd recommend that. So just get on that, and you can actually buy your first stock. It's really exciting stuff, but a brokerage is just the vehicle by which you buy a stock. It's nothing sketchy. It's just like opening an email account or a bank account. It's just very simple. Really appreciate you. I hope this is helpful. What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it, though. If you want more information, head over to our website at investingcity.org, where you can find podcasts, more videos, a blog, subscriptions, just anything you need, anything, to become the best investor possible. With that, we really appreciate you. We love you.